What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and I'm going to be doing some video editing. No, I'm going to be doing some thumbnails in Adobe Photoshop. This is my video editing thumbnail. Basically a template for when I am. It's a thumbnail template for when I'm doing video editing videos. So this one will be for. Basically, I just have to come in here and change this text. That's pretty much what we're going to be doing. These videos are going to be short and they're going to be sweet. Let me just pull up my list of videos that I need to make these for. And okay, so we're going to be doing a video editing squared Star Trek TOS SO2 version. Okay, so basically this means that I am video editing. Video editing squared means that it is 2 layers, so it's me video editing a video of video editing. So it's double the video editing. So we're going to call this Star Trek TOS Season 2 SO2 Recap. Good enough. And then what we're going to do is we are going to hit V. No, excuse me. We're going to make sure that's done. And then we're going to hit V. And then we're going to make sure that this is canvas. And we're going to center that. And then we are going to come up to video editing. And we are going to add to the end of that a number 2. You're not going to be able to see now, and we're going to stretch that out. And we're going to take this one, we're going to go into character, and we're going to, what is this called? I don't know what this is called. Superscript. We're going to do that. So it's going to make it video editing squared. And let's see if we can just drag that in a little bit. I'm okay with this. Select that. Oh, right, real quick, actually. Let's go to layers. Let's go to here. Go ahead and select this. This doesn't need to be all the way up there. We're going to go ahead and click V. Ooh. V again. And then we're going to go ahead and drop this 50. All right, and then I'm going to select this. There's 50 from there and 49 from this bar here. I mean, what do you do? It's 1 pixel off. I don't know what you could choose either way, up or down 1. Let's see. I would say go to the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and file save as. Save it on my computer. Video editing thumbnails. We want to go to thumbnails. We're going to hit new folder. We're going to call this, what was this one? Video editing squared Star Trek TOS Season 2 Recap. Here. And let's go back. Can I select? Nope, never mind. Actually, you know what I might be able to do? Yeah. Go ahead and select that text. See if I can come here. Control V it. Let's go inside there. Go ahead and video. We're going to hit save. And we're going to go ahead and export this. Call it version 1. Let's get that in there. V1. Video editing squared is what we want that dash at. Go ahead and do a dash there and a dash there. Okay. We're going to go ahead and save. And that's it. That's pretty much it for this. It's just a quick, nice little edit to the template. And we're going to jump into the next video. Or thumbnail. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. And I will talk to everyone later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.